Okay, so here is the best way on how to download Dodo Webview on iPhone. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first off, what you need to do is just simply head over to your app store. And right over here, for many people, if they search up Dodo Webview, they get nothing but instead different apps like Netmirror, Dodo View. This actually depends on your region. So what you need to do is just simply press on your account center right over here, and you need to press on your account, and what you just simply need to change your account region. So if you change it up, this might be able to help you out. So for me, it's basically my country, as you saw. But if you change up your region, you can choose and go through different regions, like right over here. And you just gotta scroll through some regions and check it out which regions has Dodo Webview supported. So just choose that region and then search it up, and you'll be good after that. And you can just put in download it after that. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tool actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.